Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video, we are going to have a look at easy ways to boost your fuel efficiency, reducing your car fuel consumption. Are you tired of constantly filling up your gas tank and watching your hard-earned money disappear at the pump? Well, let's have a look at some of the things that you can do in order to save fuel and in order to prevent extra exhaust emission emitted into the environment. Let's begin by looking at the driving habits. So, number one, smooth acceleration and braking. Smooth acceleration and gentle braking can significantly improve fuel efficiency. So, always avoid sudden start, avoid sudden acceleration, and avoid sudden stops. These are very fuel consuming and these are very dangerous as well. So, smooth acceleration and smooth braking can increase fuel efficiency. It can improve fuel efficiency. 2. Maintain a steady speed when driving. Try to maintain a constant speed. For example, you can use a cruise control on highways to help you maintain your speed. Otherwise, unsteady vehicle speed, unsteady drive can cost you more fuel. 3. Avoid excessive idling. If you are stopped for more than a minute, then it's a good idea to turn off your engine because idling consumes more fuel without getting you anywhere. So if you think that you're going to stay stopped for a longer period, it's a good idea to shut the engine off and avoid excessive idling at all costs. So by following these 3 driving habits, you can improve fuel efficiency. Then let's go to vehicle maintenance. For example, for regular maintenance, keep your car well maintained. Regular oil change and regular engine checks ensure your vehicle runs efficiently. If you happen to notice some problems, then address them immediately. So that regular maintenance will help you maintain and run a maintained engine. By doing so, you make your vehicle consume less fuel. Use recommended grade of motor oil when replacing engine oil. The right motor oil viscosity can improve fuel efficiency. Check your owner's manual for manufacturer's recommended oil grade. Part of the maintenance is check tire pressure. Number 5 is check tire pressure always. Keep your tires properly inflated. Do you know that having a proper tire pressure can improve your fuel efficiency by 3% or more? So check your tire pressure at least once a month. Underinflated tires can decrease fuel efficiency. So check your tire pressure at least monthly and keep them inflated to the recommended level. Low tire pressure is a killer to fuel consumption. And 6, replace air filters. A clean air filter improves fuel flow to the engine, enhancing performance and efficiency. But if you are driving with a clogged or partially clogged air filter, that will definitely increase fuel consumption of your vehicle. As there is restricted air, as there is less air admitted into the cylinder, then the engine has to keep up by using additional fuel to compensate for the low incoming air. That can cause excessive fuel consumption. So always make sure that the air filters are clean. If they are dirty, they can be replaced or you can clean it. Replace air filters regularly. Clogged air filters restrict airflow and makes the engine work harder, reducing fuel efficiency. Recommended replacing air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Note that this quick and inexpensive maintenance task will improve fuel efficiency. 7. Reduce excess weight. When it comes to weight and aerodynamics, giving attention to weight and aerodynamics can sometimes improve fuel efficiency. Remove unnecessary weight. Extra weight in the vehicle forces the engine to work harder, burning more fuel. So reduce excess weight. Remove unnecessary items from your car. Extra weight means more fuel consumption. So just have a look at your vehicle. Are there some things that you are carrying around unnecessarily? So if you are not using some items in your vehicle, for this particular trip that you are having, have them removed. Make the vehicle a little lighter. Doing so can increase your fuel efficiency. If possible, make sure that the vehicle is streamlined. If you have roof racks or carriers, remove them when not in need. They create air drag that will reduce fuel efficiency. And if you are planning to load your vehicle, make sure that the load is somehow arranged in a streamlined fashion so that the vehicle can easily cut through air when being driven. By making it more streamlined, you can increase fuel efficiency. Fuel choices can also matter when it comes to fuel efficiency. Choose the right fuel. Use the recommended fuel type for your vehicle. Higher octane fuel doesn't always mean better performance. So have a look at the owner manual of your vehicle and use the recommended fuel type for your particular car. By choosing the right fuel, you can increase fuel efficiency. Fuel up in the morning. This is another tip. Fuel is denser in cool environment. Fuel is dense in the morning, for example. So fill up early in the day to get more fuel for your money. Fuel is being charged with volume. When you are at the gas station, you are paying for the volume of fuel that is put in your gas tank, not for the mass of fuel. 11 is use navigation apps. Utilize navigation apps to find the quickest route and avoid traffic jam, which can help you save fuel. Consider hybrid or electric options if possible. If you are in the market for a new car, consider hybrid or electric vehicles, which can drastically reduce fuel efficiency. And the other thing that you can do is try to avoid heavy traffic. Plan your trips to avoid peak traffic hours whenever possible. Less stop and go means better fuel economy. So plan ahead, avoid routes that have traffic congestion, and always make sure that you are driving on the hours that have less traffic jam. You can also combine errands. Try to combine errands on one trip. This could reduce number of cold starts, which consume more fuel. Try to reduce number of cold starts as well, which can also consume more fuel. In the long term, consider carpooling. Carpooling is where you share rides with friends or co-workers. Carpooling reduces the number of vehicles on the road. That will reduce congestion, and that will also save fuel. So in the long run, you can consider carpooling. You can also get used to public transportation if possible. When possible, use public transportation. It's often more fuel efficient than driving alone. Stay informed. Read your car's manual to understand how to optimize fuel efficiency based on your vehicle's specific needs. Always try to monitor your fuel consumption. Keep track of your fuel consumption. This will help you identify patterns and make the necessary adjustments. Finally, stay positive. Small changes can lead to significant fuel saving over time. So these are some of the things that you can do in order to increase your fuel efficiency. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this video regarding tips that will help you improve fuel efficiency, reduce fuel economy, reduce fuel consumption. By implementing even few of these strategies, you can easily reduce your fuel consumption by at least 5%. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Drive safe, and see you next time. Until then, stay safe.